Alright friends, now let's look at the compareTo method. So this method is used to compare two strings. So it returns an integer value. It returns 0 if the strings are equal. So it returns positive or negative number too. We will see these cases. So I come here, I say string word 1 equals to, for example, Python. Alright. And then I copy these. I come here, I say word 2, I say Python again. So it returns an integer value. So that's why I define integer value. I say integer result. Alright. So I come here, I say result equals to, I will compare word 1 with word 2. So I say word 2 and then I use compareTo method. So I give word 2 here. So let's print this result. I say system.out.println and then I give my result. So let's run it. So you see 0 appears on the screen. So it returns a positive number if the first string is greater. So it returns a negative number if the first string is smaller. I mean, we decide which is greater or which is smaller. We compare their ASCII code. For example, I changed from P to A. So you see, so A comes before P. So let's run it. You see the result is minus. So minus 15. So if I change it, for example, I say Z. So Z comes after P. So I run it. You see 10. So comparing this result, you can use if string, if statement with the result to compare strings easily in your programs. I hope you understand it.